Hey there, imagine you walk into a room and everyone is speaking German. What's the first thing you say? Hello, right? In German, that's hallo. You see, super easy. Say it with me one more time. Hallo. Now, let's say it's morning and you want to greet someone properly. You say Guten Morgen. This means good morning. Try it. Guten Morgen. But what if it's later in the day? Instead of Guten Morgen, you say Guten Tag. This means good day. Let's practice. Guten Tag. Good. Now let's introduce ourselves. In German, you say Ich heiße and then your name. Watch me. Ich heiße Titilope. Now it's your turn. Ich heiße and your name. Nice. And if you want to ask someone's name, you say Wie heißt du? Which means what is your name? Wie heißt du? Great job. Now you can walk into any German speaking room, say hello and introduce yourself. Try it out today. Shoes. That means bye. See you tomorrow as we work together on our 7 days German language challenge. I am Titi Lokwe Mogaji. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.